I'm going to share how to cook my two go-to rice noodles, rice vermicelli and rice stick. Rice vermicelli noodles are round, but rice stick noodles are flat. When rice vermicelli noodles are cooked, they have a little chewy texture. I use these when I make a rice soup dish to add extra texture or Vietnamese spring rolls. When rice stick noodles are cooked, they have a soft texture. I use these for pho or pad thai. From my experiences, package directions to cook rice noodles rarely work, so this is how I do it. Pour tap water in a bowl and put the noodles in. Soak them overnight in the fridge and forget about it. The next day, boil water and drop the noodles in. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Check the noodles with your fingers. If they are soft and break easily, they are ready. Wash them under cold running water and drain. What if you forgot to soak noodles overnight? Then pour boiling hot water over noodles. Put a lid loosely. Soak them for 20 to 30 minutes. Most of the time, rice stick noodles don't even need to be boiled. Wash them under cold water. If you're preparing for hot noodles, set aside in a bowl right away before they get sticky. However, rice vermicelli noodles need extra step. Even if you soak them in hot boiling water for 20 to 30 minutes, you may still have to boil in a pot for 5 to 10 minutes more or until they are ready. Still, this will be easier and cut down cooking time. Then wash them under cold running water. Rice noodles get very sticky as soon as the water is drained. Add a little cooking oil or the sauce you're going to cook with over the noodles and mix with your hand. This will prevent noodles from sticking and becoming a big mess. That's all. I hope this helps.